Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to completely remove and uninstall the Riot Games client from your Windows 11 computer. The Riot client creates multiple folders on your system, so let's start by locating these files. First, right-click on the Riot client icon on your desktop and select Open File Location. This will take you to the main folder. For most people, this will be on the C drive, but it could be on the D drive or an external hard drive. Next, navigate to your main hard drive. For me, it's the C drive. Find the Riot Games folder and delete it. Now click on the search icon in your taskbar and type in Riot Client. Select Open File Location again. Navigate to the Programs folder and delete the Riot Games folder you find there. The final step involves the App Data folder. Open the search bar, type Run, and press Enter. In the Run dialog box, type App Data and click OK. Navigate to the Local folder, scroll down to the folders starting with R, and delete the Riot Games folder. Also, check for and delete any additional folders like Valorant. Additionally, if you have Riot games like Valorant or League of Legends installed, you'll want to uninstall these too. Type Remove Programs in the search bar, find the games in the list, and uninstall them. Lastly, delete the Riot client and Valorant icon from your desktop and empty your recycling bin to permanently remove all traces. If this video helped you, a like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated.